Oh. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hot Shot. We are outside in nature. I am showing you guys how to make your own conditioner without going to the store and buying all that chemical crap. You dig? So let's get started. Might I add, this is an all natural compound. You know what I'm saying? All right, so boom, guys. First things first. We got honey. We got our orange. Get your lime. I use onion, and I use banana. This is our first time using banana, but we even got berries. You're gonna need a spray bottle. Keep up. A jar, cutting board, a cup. All right, boom. Now that we got all of our ingredients, including the knife, let's get started, gang. Okay, now that we have our onion cut, I need to explain the onion is very healthy for the hair, guys. So you might want to use yourself. I prefer purple onion. Why? Because it smells better to me, and it just gives a lovely vibe and a lovely look. So next things next, let's go ahead and put that away. Put the onion up. And next we will get to our orange. Me personally, I like to use half an orange, so we're gonna put that away. And the way I do it is I just cut down the bite like this and really peel that thing off, gang. Peel it off, just like that. See, I feel like this orange is too big. It's still a lot of orange, but that's about enough right there. But we're gonna do two, gang. Let's do two today. Boom, we got our orange. And so far onion. Guys, next things next, we're gonna do the lime. This right here adds the energy. I use this in the morning. It's very healthy stuff. Let's go, gang. Guys, I personally like to use half a lime, half of everything, so I can save it for another batch for later. Now that we have our lime cut, put that to the side. For the banana, we're gonna do slices. Boom. So next things next, we need our jar. So at this point, we are maneuvering everything over here into the drawer. So what we just cut, put that inside there, just slap it on in there. Ain't gotta be pretty. This is what I do and how I do it. Oh, I see we're getting like really full, like early. I guess I did cut too much, guys. So yeah, this right here is a natural conditioner. It will definitely keep your hair nice and have you looking like you got a new perm, you know, and have you looking like it's shiny. And when I first did this, I was shocked at the results. My hair started growing really fast, no breakage. Oh, and not to mention, add some water to it, guys. Gonna add your water like that. And one of the most important steps, guys, the most important steps is getting your honey. Do not forget the honey. Preferably, I would say 100% honey, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this. I don't know if it's real honey, but guys, use real honey. All right, I don't think the thing is even open, guys. Gang. And one last thing that I do, I like to put a little bit of tea tree oil inside of it. About 3 drops, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a lot, but nice. You dig? Nice. If you have some castor oil, coconut oil, this is the kind of stuff you want to use also inside of it. You know, mainly tea tree oil and maybe even some lavender oil. I do have that, and we'll place that in here later on, but I can't find it right now. But for the sake of the video, guys, you want to use your favorite oils inside of here, and I would recommend castor oil. One quick step that I almost missed, I wanted to add some berries to our natural conditioner. So let's go. Oh, that's really red, gang. That's really red. Look at that. Wow. That's super red, my guy. So we're going to actually take that, put that lid on once again, and shake her up. Close to the last and final step. What you want to do is take that bad boy and put it inside of the ice box and let those juices sit and get inside of all of that good aqua, creating your good hair H3O2 mineral water. Let's go. So guys, for the sake of the video, I did take it out early, but what you want to do is leave it inside the ice box for about a day or two, so that all of the juices can really get inside of that water. All right, so let's get down to the meat of it. What you want to do, gang, is shake it up really good. Get it in there really good. Okay, guys, I want to shake it up well. Like that, guys, right? Open that bottle up, gang. You want to take that top so that the fruit does not fall into the cup. Oh, it's spilling, guys. You want to pour that juice inside of that cup. That's some good H3O2 right there, guys. They're juicing it like that, guys. And for the sake of the video, I'm actually going to add some more water to it and give it another shake up. But stay tuned. I'm going to add some water to it, guys. and really create that H302. So I'm gonna a lot of it in there. Take that top once again and shake it up. I think that's good, gang. Let's try it again. Get us some more juice in there. Oh yeah, perfecto. Perfecto. Let's put this to the side. Open up your spray bottle. Get you a spray bottle. It does not have to be this type, but I would recommend it definitely because it keeps spraying. This is a red by Kiss. I'm gonna bust it open, gang. And what you want to do, follow these instructions. You don't want to clog your spray bottle up. Cover up your spray bottle so that all of that other stuff from the fruit don't get inside. So now I'm going to take my cup, give it a quick little squeeze, and start pouring it in there, strain it in there. And add a little bit of water to it to kind of stretch it out and give me more, so I don't use all my product up. A little bit more tea tree oil. And like I said, guys, inside the video, you can use any oils that you want. I prefer tea tree oil and castor oil. Right now, I don't have any castor oil, but if I did, I would definitely be using some of that. Last but not least, slap that top across that spray bottle. Now, you have successfully made your own hair conditioner out of fruit and vegetable, not to mention a little bit of oil, guys. So yeah, let's see how that thing sprays. Got my bottle. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's a clear spray. We stranded. It smells great. I love that smell. Very natural, very fruity. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. We spray it. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! Looking good, baby. All natural stuff. All natural fruit and vegetables. But my eyes are burning, guys. Hey! God damn, boy. All right, we're done. So you know what it is, but you don't know what it ain't. It's your boy Hot Y'all. Peace and tranquility until my next video. Bye.